Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm joined by Buddy the Bird, and we're going to be creating a self-portrait. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to go to our camera app and take a picture of ourselves. Then go to Canvas Chrome. From here, you're going to click on New from Image right up here. Go to the folder where you keep your images from your camera and open up the picture that you'd like to use. From here, you're going to add details to your picture to create your own digital self-portrait. I've always wanted to imagine Buddy with a big crown on his head and wearing a vest. So I'm going to do that to him. Let's see. You have yellow feathers, so I'm going to give you, let's see. Yes, starting on a new layer, we're going to give you a crown because you are the king. Let's see here, I'm going to add a little bit right there. A little thing on that side. There we go. Look at that crown. You are the king. And let's add another layer to your crown right here. Look even fancier. Ha ha ha. And I've always wanted to put a red vest on you, Buddy. So let's see what that might look like. You got like a little shirt on right here. You got an opening. You gotta have big openings for his wings, so you can fly around. Whoop. There. Check, you got a vest on. Choose your demand. Oh, he's so cute. All right. And I've always wanted to imagine myself with rainbow colored hair. So let's add a little rainbow to my hair. Oh wait, I want to start on a new layer for my hair. Let's go over here and add a new layer. All right, so I got my rainbow hair coming down. When I'm drawing hair, I want to start like up here at the top and then come down. Like some red over here too. Nice thin strands. Don't worry, it's going to look better once we add a few more layers and colors. Let's go to orange. A little brighter. Yeah. Wouldn't that be cool? The art teacher having rainbow hair. I know one of our students has had rainbow hair at school before. It looked so cool. Let's add a little yellow. Ooh, like flame color hair. I think I want to do like the warm colors on one side and then cool colors on the other. Let's take this part away and come back with the green, blue, and purple cool colors on this side. Let's add a little more red on this side too. Yes! Flame colored hair! And then, let's see here, like a green, a little darker. Oh, that one didn't turn out. Let's go back on that one. There we go. All right, little blue. Now it's up to you what kind of details you want to do. You don't have to decorate your hair if you don't want to. If you want to give yourself like a cool background or a cool outfit, like I gave Buddy a crown and a cool vest, like it is totally up to you. There it is. That's hard to find. My tool. A little blue. Put it back in the hair. Oh, that's looking cool. Let's go to purple. Here it is. Yes, I like that. There's like a piece of hair right in my face right here. Get that one. Which I know, some hair does come into my face. Let's add a little bit. Let's do a little bit of that coming down here. But that helps. Got some purple on this side too, for whatever reason. No, I won't do that. Let's do it on this side. Yeah. Yay! So there is my digital self-portrait. So it's a picture of myself with added details. Yay! And you can send me more than one idea if you have more than one idea. So till next time, class, keep being creative. Feel like your crown, buddy? You're the king.